Hello children, we are doing class 10 science, chapter 6 life processes. Important questions 1, that one first one, mention 2 points of difference between pepsin and trypsin. So pepsin and trypsin, both of them are actually protein digesting enzymes. So pepsin is produced in the stomach and trypsin is produced by pancreas. Second point, pepsin acts in the acidic medium and trypsin acts in the basic medium. Now question number 2, give a schematic diagram for the breakdown of glucose by various pathways. So during the process of respiration, the breakdown of glucose will take place. So glucose is a 6-carbon molecule. In the cytoplasm, the 6-carbon molecule of glucose will be converted into pyruvate. So it will break into 3-carbon molecule. With that small amount of energy will be released. And again, that pyruvate will be converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy in the absence of oxygen in yeast. That means that in the anaerobic respiration. So in the anaerobic respiration, what will happen? What are the products of anaerobic respiration? That is ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. The amount of energy released during anaerobic respiration is actually less. Now second one, during vigorous exercise in our muscles, due to the lack of oxygen, the products formed are lactic acid and energy. So lactic acid is also a 3-carbon molecule and the energy will be released. The formation of lactic acid is the reason for the muscle cramps during vigorous exercise. Due to the lack of oxygen, lactic acid will be formed. It will result in muscle cramps. Then third one, in all the cells actually, that means mainly in the animal cells and in the animal cells, all of them, or in the plant cell, in the presence of oxygen in mitochondria. Presence of oxygen in mitochondria, this pyruvate will be converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this one is resulting in aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration is taking place in mitochondria and the amount of energy released is very high. What are the products of aerobic respiration? Carbon dioxide and water. So this schematic representation is giving the breakdown of glucose by various pathways. Now question number 3, define photosynthesis and write the overall equation of the reaction. Photosynthesis is a process in which green plants use carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to synthesize organic food. Organic food in the form of carbohydrates. So carbon dioxide and water will be converted into glucose actually. So glucose. And oxygen and water. They'll ask you what is the byproduct. Byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. So how oxygen is produced? Oxygen is produced by the splitting of water molecule which is absorbed by the plant. Now we'll write the conversion. Now question 4, what are the various events taking place during the process of photosynthesis? So first process taking place during the process of photosynthesis is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second one, conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Chemical here is glucose actually. Chemical energy. and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. Now third one will be the reduction of carbon dioxide too. Why it is called reduction actually? Because it reacts with the hydrogen released during the reaction. So reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Now in this one, but what is the main byproduct during the process of photosynthesis? Oxygen. How it was produced? By the splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. By the splitting of water molecule, that oxygen was produced. And then what happened to hydrogen? Hydrogen was utilized for the reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate.